Exercise 12.3, question number 14. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 cm and 7 cm and center O. If angle AOB equal 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. This is the figure given in the question. According to the question, AB and CD are the arcs, two arcs of the two concentric circles. Two concentric circles means their center is same. So here the center of the two arcs is same as O. Then the radius is given as small circles or small arcs radius is given as 7 cm and big arcs radius is given as what? 21 cm. That is also given. The concentric circles radii are given as 21 cm and 7 cm, right? Then angle AOB is given as 30 degree. That means here the central angle for the small arc CD and for the big arc AB is same as 30 degree. Okay, so here small arcs radius we can mark as small letter R, that is 7 cm. Then radius of the big arc we can mark as capital R, that is 21 cm. Then theta, that central angle is common for both, that is 30 degree. Then here we have to find area of this shaded portion. So how we will get the area of the shaded portion? Area of this big sector minus area of the small sector. Area of this big sector minus area of the small sector. Okay. Then here we can find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region equal area of big sector with radius 21 cm minus area of small sector with radius 7 cm. So the equation for finding the area of the sector is equal theta by 360 into pi r square. Here big sector we can use capital R. Then for small circle theta by 360 into pi small r square. Here theta is common for both, that we can write as same value, that is theta itself. Then next we have to take the common factor outside. So here theta by 360 into pi is common for both. Then we can write it as r square minus r square. Here again we can use the identity. If you didn't use the identity, you can do it, no problem. Here I use the identity r square minus r square as a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. That is r plus r into r minus r. Then we have to substitute the values of theta. That is equal 30 degree. Then 30 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7. Then capital R is 21. So 21 plus small r is 7. So 21 plus 7 into 21 minus 7. Then here we can cut 360 and 30. 1 0 we can cut. Then in 3, 1 3s are 3. In 36, 12 3s are 36, right? Then 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 21 plus 7 is 28. 21 minus 7 is what? 14. Okay. Then 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 to 28 into 14. Then here we can simplify this again. The 7 and 14 twice. Then 12, 6 2s are 12. 11 2s are 22. Then 6, 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2. Then what we will get? 11 into 28 by 3. That is equal 308 by 3. So 308 by 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded portion. Exercise 12.3, question number 15. In the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 cm and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. This is the figure given in the question. According to the question, ABC, this part is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Means AC equal 14 centimeter. Then this AB is also 14 centimeter. So this is the quadrant, right? Then there is a semicircle with a diameter BC, that is also given. So this is the semicircle with a diameter BC. Then here we have to find area of this shaded portion. For finding this area of the shaded portion, what we should do? Area of the semicircle minus area of this segment. This is a segment, no. So from area of semicircle, we should subtract area of the segment. Then we will get the area of the shaded portion. Okay. So for finding the area of this segment, what we should do? Area of this quadrant minus area of this triangle. Okay. So actually for finding area of this shaded portion, what we should do? Area of semicircle with diameter BC minus area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. Okay, this we have to do for finding the area of shaded portion. Area of semicircle minus area of the segment. For finding the area of the segment, what we should do? Area of quadrant minus area of this triangle. So directly we can write area of the shaded portion equal area of semicircle with diameter BC minus area of quadrant with radius AB or AC. We can write AB or AC. Here I wrote AC. Then minus area of triangle ABC with the base 14 centimeter and altitude 14 centimeter. Right? So this we have to do. For that we have to find first what is the radius of the semicircle or diameter of the semicircle we have to find first. For that we have to consider triangle ABC. We know that this angle A is 90 degree because it is a quadrant that is given in the question. Okay, so according to this right triangle, BC is the hypotenuse. So by the Pythagoras theorem, we have to find hypotenuse BC. After getting BC, when we consider the semicircle with the diameter BC, for the semicircle, BC is the diameter, right? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem, from the triangle ABC, we can write BC square equal AB square plus AC square. Okay, then BC square equal 14 square plus 14 square. We can write it as 2 into 14 square. 14 square plus 14 square becomes 2 into 14 square. So BC equal root of 2 into 14 square. For easy calculation we write this. Okay. Then here 14 square's root will be 14. 2's root will be root 2 itself. So what is BC? 14 root 2 centimeter. Right. So this is the diameter of semicircle. Diameter of semicircle equal what? 14 root 2. Right. Then here we have to find area of the shaded portion, that is equal area of semicircle, that is pi r square by 2 minus area of quadrant, that is what? Pi r square by 4. Then minus area of triangle, that is half BH. Right. Then we have to substitute the values. Pi as 22 by 7 into capital R means radius of the semicircle. Okay, here diameter of the semicircle we got 14 root 2. So radius will be what? 14 root 2 by 2. That is 7 root 2. right? So 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 divided by 2. Then minus pi means 22 by 7. R square, small r means what? 14. So 14 into 14 by 4 minus half BH, that is half into 14 into 14. Okay, then the 7 and 7 we can cut, this 2 and 22 we can cut. Then 11 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 itself, then 7. Then minus, here we can cut this 7 and 14 in 2 times. Then 14 and 4, 2 and 7. Then this 2 and 2 we can cut. Then what it will be? 22 into 7 itself. Minus here the 7 itself. So 1 into 7 into 14 means 7 into 14. Right? The next is 11 into 14 minus. Here the 7 and the 7 are common. So that we can take outside. Then 22 minus 14 we will get. Anyway you can simplify. Here this is one of the method. So 11 into 14 minus 7 into 22 minus 14 is equal what? 8. So 11 into 14 is 154. Then minus 7 8s are 56. When we subtract them, then we will get 98. So 98 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. Exercise 12.3, last question. Question number 16. Calculate the area of the designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of the circles of the radius 8 centimeter each. This is the figure given in the question. This part is the designed region. So here we have to find area of this designed region. Many methods are there for finding this area, but here I used one of the easiest way. For that, first we can do only this part. When we find area of this first part, that's same as for second part also. So the total area of this design is equal 1 into 2. That means area of the first part into 2. So here we can consider only this part. Then from this figure itself we can identify that this is the segment. So how we will get the area of this segment? Area of this sector minus area of this triangle. But in the question it is already given that here two quadrants with the same radii. That means this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is also 8 centimeter. Quadrant means this is 90 degrees, so this is also be 90 degree. These two are quadrants that is given in the question. Okay. Then here this is the quadrant. So here how we will get the area of the first part? That means the shaded portion, that will be equal area of this quadrant with radius 8 centimeter minus area of this triangle, right triangle with the base 8 centimeter and altitude is also 8 centimeter, right? So first part equal area of quadrant with radius 8 centimeter minus area of triangle DAB with the base 8 centimeter and altitude 8 centimeter. Okay, so that is equal pi r square by 4 minus half BH. That is equal 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 by 4 minus half into 8 into 8. Then we can simplify this by 2 4 times. The remaining 22 by 7 into 2 into 8 minus 4 into 8. 22 into 2 into 8 is 352. So 352 by 7 minus 8 4s are 32. Then we can do the cross multiplication. So 352 minus 32 into 7 is 224 by 7. Then that is equal 128 by 7. This is the area of the first part. Already know that area of the first part is equal area of the second part. So here the total area of the design equal twice of area of first part. That is equal twice of 128 by 7. That is equal 256 by 7 centimeter square. So this is the area of the design. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.